The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a high wind warning for the following counties in Ohio: Muskingum. Until further notice. What? West-southwest winds at 22 miles per hour with consistent gusts up to 72 miles per hour expected, as well as blowing snow. Where? Throughout the general Muskingum County area, including areas such as Adamsville, Dresden, North Zanesville, Zanesville, South Zanesville, Pleasant Grove, East Fultonham, and Hopewell. When? Until further notice from the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh. Impacts: travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Blowing snow may reduce visibility and can cause respiratory problems. Precautionary actions include avoiding being outside in forested areas or around trees and branches. If possible, stay in the lower area of your home during this windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Due to the winter weather event, blowing snow is also a hazard with this windstorm.